Students, the last paragraph of our lesson 3 is a story, so try to understand it. Now let's read it. Forgiveness should be total and unconditional. Jesus told a story of a father who had two sons. The younger son demanded from his father the property which was his due. The father gave him what he demanded. The son sold it and squandered the money lavishly along with his friends. When there was no money left, his friends abandoned him. He had to live a miserable life without having anything even to eat. Then he decided to go back to his father and ask for forgiveness and pleaded to be treated as a servant, not as a son, because he had been disobedient to him and squandered all his wealth. But when the father saw him coming from far away, he went out to welcome him, embraced him, and celebrated his son's return, holding a big party to all his friends and neighbors. The father had been patiently waiting for the son's return. When he got him, no inquiry was made about what he had done with his wealth, where he had been, and now he had lived. He had come back, and that was enough for the father. His forgiveness was total. So, students, you can easily understand this story. In this story, the younger son demanded the property from his father. The father gave him, but the son squandered all his money, and when there was no money left, he went back to his father and asked for forgiveness. And his father forgives him. His father forgives him. His father did not ask the son even once that where did he spend all the money. Rather than he organized a party in the joy that was enough for the father that his son is back. This is called forgiveness. What is the forgiveness here? Here the forgiveness is the son has spent all the money, but the father is forgive the son. He organized a party in the joy of his son's arrival, that he came back, because that is enough for the father that his son is came back. So this is the forgiveness. If we love our relationship more than the faults of other, we will surely forgive the person. I would like to repeat this line. Dear students, if you love the relationship more than the faults of the other, you will surely forgive that person. And the last paragraph is learn the art of forgiveness to be happy in life. Forgiveness is not an action or emotion, it is a state of being. When we forgive, no sense of revenge remains in us. This is a true line. When we forgive the other person, no sense, we don't want to take any kind of revenge from that person. So, here is the end of our lesson 3. From tomorrow onwards, we will do the exercise. Thank you.